Hey guys, so this is gonna be a clean my messy room with me. Now my room is messy. This is gonna be very authentic Abigail. I'm gonna be honest, so I was just looking for stuff and rummaging through stuff, and that's why everything is all over the place. Also, I'm too short. I gotta fix these blankets. Like, it's crazy. So this is the back of our room. I'm gonna show you guys. This is real like life. I was off today. Well, I wasn't off today. Scotch, I was remote today. So, and then I had to take a nap after because I was so tired because I woke up extremely early. I worked out and everything, and then I just woke up from my nap. So now I'm going to have to tackle all of this because it looks crazy. So, just to give you an idea of what my back room is looking like. So, this is my closet. I have to go get my school because these blankets fell. They need to go back in there. This is supposed to be like my travel stuff, but I need to reorganize. Everything just got messed up here. This was like my hair accessory stuff. I need to reorganize that. My bathing suit bag fell down. I don't know when. I have to put that back up there. All here was like gym clothes because I was trying to find specific gym stuff. So I need to clean all this area up. Same thing with here. Just reorganize everything. Everything was organized, but I think in the process of me trying to clean everything and just find specific outfits, which is annoying. That's why this is all messed up now. Once the school year is over, my plan is to get rid of this table so that this area will be clear. Even my desk is a little messy. It's not as messy. If you watch my past videos, I kept this desk pretty clean in comparison. As you see, the top is pretty clean still because I removed a lot of stuff. It's just the bottom with a few like boxes and things like that I need to like clean and move certain stuff around, like these things here. Like these I try to keep as organized as possible, but there's some stuff back here I need to just reorganize all of that. The bottom for the most part of my desk stayed pretty organized because I had a bin here. But yeah, I still have about roughly 3 weeks of school left, but if I'm counting in days, I think we have 12 more days. Tomorrow I go to work, but there's no kids and I still don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest, and I'm really annoyed about that. I wish that we could just stay home and do another remote day, if I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. Next week is a full week. Following week we have 2 days off, and then the last week of school is only 3 days, and then we're done, and then officially in summer break. But yeah, that's gonna be my goal. I had this desk for, I want to say 3 years. I think I got this in 2021. I don't remember. I would have to go check. But I never use it anyway. I'm never back here, and it's just taking up space. So I feel like once I take out this desk, I'll have more like wall space, and then I think I want to get like some shelves for some of the stuff. So as you guys can see, I have a bunch of stuff. All these things that are currently here on the top, I can put shelves for there for now. At least this part of my closet's still organized, luckily. Funny enough, because I bought these like bag things from Temu. Bunch of packages that I need to sort through. Garbage, all that. This bag I won't take to work tomorrow. I took it yesterday because it's a light bag. This is normally my work backpack, so I have to clean out this whole area because it's messed up. And then these are clean clothes that I'm folding all these. So I gotta get all that done. And don't mind my bed because, like I said, I just woke up from a nap, so that's why my bed is like that. But I just started folding clothes. So this is all the stuff that I have to get done. Let's get into it. I think I want to tackle folding all these clothes first, like I was doing already. And then I'll go handle like these packages here, I think. And then I'll handle the back. I think that's what I'm going to do. That's the order I'm going to do. So fold, clean clothes first. Go through all these packages. I just got a new package too, so I just gotta go through everything. I kind of opened all the packages yesterday. I just didn't put things away, so I have to do all that. And then I'll tackle the back, reorganize how I want it, because I have to keep back there like that for the next 2 weeks. Wait, no, 3 weeks. And then I can like kind of rearrange stuff fully when school is over, because I don't want to say, oh, I'm not going to try to do extra as far as moving my desk, and like that's a lot of stuff right now. And especially I have to still go to work tomorrow, stuff like that. That's like a task that I'm going to wait for in the summer.
Ryan Little.
I'm just setting aside stuff that I know I'm gonna wear eventually, but I'm not gonna wear right in this minute, so that I could like reorganize it. This I don't know if I'm gonna wear. Oh well, yeah, I could wear this. I might say this for vacation though. Let's put it in my vacation pile. I have a pile of things going on. I gotta clean that side next. Same thing, this I got from the thing. I don't know what I was looking for. The skirt too. These all go in my summer stuff, so I'm just gonna fold them and put them aside until I get to my summer bin, because like I said, I have like 3 bins piled up on here. And then lastly, this is like pretty much where I put my like hair accessories and stuff like that. So I'm gonna leave that. This was my stool. I got this from Burlington because, you know, I'm short. My mom saw it, she's like, you might need that. So or else I wouldn't be able to get up here in this area. So this I got from Temu, I believe, but it's good to like organize bags and stuff. So I put some of my cuter bags, I guess if you will, in here. I do have a few spaces open like up top here. So yeah, Like my Coach bag is here, and then I have like the Steve Madden bag. I had this bag for a while actually. I could probably put 2 more bags here, but I don't know yet. Like, you see what I'm talking about? Like saving Victoria's Secret bags from like, I don't know when was this purchased. This is what I'm saying, hoarding unnecessary bags. These shoes I wore last week to church and one of them broke, so they're going to the garbage. And then yeah, other than that, we're pretty much almost done. This shoe I was looking for the other pair. I have a couple of sandals back here. But yeah, and then I just gotta pick up these hangers when I don't know when they fell off. But other than that, yeah, this is the cover for this hair thing. Let's put that on. And now we have organization again.
Ryan Little.
This was filmed the whole time. So anyway, I was just saying, I think concluding it here, I cleaned majority of the stuff that I wanted to clean. I just have a few miscellaneous things in my bed, but I'll do that off camera. Just brought like my brushes and stuff, which all of them I need to actually wash. But yeah, I'm done for the day. I did want to go through the bags, but I think that might be a tomorrow thing. I'm tired now, but I got the good chunk of like clothes and stuff that was on the floor and packaging and stuff like that. I got all that, rid of that stuff. So that was like the main goal to do, get clothes out, fold laundry, and all that's completed. So yeah, but I'm hot. So thanks so much for watching. Hopefully guys, this inspired you to clean your space. And hopefully now the way that I always feel like I'm reorganizing my room every time, especially the back of my room. So now I feel like the way I organize it, hopefully I can keep it neater now, because I organize it by what I'm going to be wearing now. Or like, I just reorganize like my gym stuff really, and my summer stuff, just so that it's easier access, because that was the issue too, not having easier access. But anyway, that's all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll leave as many links to anything that's linkable that I used. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.